Hey, what's up, guys? It's Phenomenal your credit coach with another weekly tip. And this week I want to talk about how many points does a credit inquiry affect my credit score? There is no concrete answer as to how many points does a credit inquiry affect the credit score. It's only 10% of the credit score, so it doesn't play a big role, but it plays a role. You don't want to have a lot of credit inquiries on a credit report. Here's the number one reason why. If you're applying for credit and you need to get a home loan, maybe you need to get a personal loan, maybe a business loan, and that lender sees you have a lot of credit inquiries, two things come to mind. Number one, why is this person applying for too much credit? Number two, how many of those accounts did this person get approved for? So it's not the fact that a credit inquiry affects your credit score, it's just that it makes you look credit hungry. Only apply for credit when needed. Do not worry about how many points it reduces your credit score. It's just that it looks bad. That's the bigger picture. Only apply for credit when needed. Talk to you guys soon.